Ford Escape owners from 2020 to 2025 model years have been experiencing frustrating black screen issues with their infotainment systems. Understanding the root causes is essential for finding the right solution. There are three primary causes behind these black screen problems: software corruption from incomplete updates or memory overflow, hardware failures involving faulty connections, and electrical system issues like voltage fluctuations. The Ford Escape uses sophisticated Sync 3 and Sync 4 infotainment systems. These Linux-based platforms integrate multiple modules, including the central processing unit, audio control, and display interface. Ford has responded with multiple software patches. Sync 3 received version 3.4.21194 in Q2 2024, while Sync 4 got version 21194 in Q1 2025. These updates address many of the software corruption issues. Hardware failures often involve the complex network of cables and connections shown here. Faulty display connections, power supply irregularities, or component failures can all lead to black screen issues. Ford has extended warranty coverage for infotainment system failures to 5 years or 60,000 miles for affected models. This extended coverage helps address the increased customer complaints and provides peace of mind for owners experiencing these issues. Understanding these root causes helps identify the right solutions for your Ford Escape's black screen problem. Whether it's software corruption, hardware failure, or electrical issues, knowing the source guides you toward the most effective fix. The first and easiest solution is a soft reset. This method works for about 75% of black screen issues and takes less than a minute to complete. Hold both the power button and volume down button simultaneously for 10 to 15 seconds. You'll see the screen go completely black. Then the Ford logo will appear as the system reboots. If the soft reset doesn't work, try a hard reset by disconnecting your 12-volt battery. This method has an 85% success rate, but requires basic tools and safety precautions. Always disconnect the negative terminal first for safety. Use proper tools and wear gloves. After reconnecting, allow 5 to 10 minutes for the system to fully initialize. For a complete system restoration, use the Master Reset option. This has a 90% success rate, but will erase all your personal settings and paired devices. This will completely restore your sync system to factory settings. You'll need to repair your phone and reset all preferences, but it resolves most software-related issues. If basic resets fail, advanced solutions include ForceScan diagnostic tools or dealer reflashing. These require technical expertise or professional service, typically costing between $150 and $300. To prevent future black screen issues, keep your sync software updated, always use proper shutdown procedures, and maintain your 12-volt battery health above 12.4 volts.